Get ready. Start. I am directed to say that according to the Demobilized Armed Forces Personnel Rules 1968 as amended from time to time, and the Demobilized Indian Armed Forces Personnel Rules 1972, 20% of non-technical posts and vacancies in the Punjab Civil Service to be filled in by direct recruitment are reserved for the released Indian Armed Forces personnel. Full stop. In order to safeguard their interests, it has also been laid in the aforesaid rules that wherein any year any vacancies reserved for the released Indian Armed Forces personnel remain unfilled on account of non-availability of suitable released armed forces personnel, such a vacancy is to be filled up temporarily from any other source in accordance with the recruitment rules for the time being in force for filling up vacancies which are not reserved, and such a vacancy shall be carried forward to the next succeeding year, provided that no such vacancies shall be carried forward for more than 4 years. Full stop. In Punjab Government Circular Letters noted in the margin, it was further stressed that second preference is to be given to ex-servicemen who are otherwise fit for employment by fulfilling the prescribed qualifications for the post in question, but who are not covered by the term released Indian Armed Forces personnel. Full stop. It has been brought to the notice of government that these instructions are not being followed meticulously, and as a result thereof quite a number of released Indian Armed Forces personnel and ex-servicemen remain unemployed. Full stop. Next para. The matter has been considered by the government, and with a view to ensuring due representation in services to the released Indian Armed Forces personnel and ex-servicemen as provided in the aforesaid rules, it has been decided that where released Indian Armed Forces personnel and ex-servicemen are not available for the vacancies reserved for them, the appointing authority shall have to obtain a non-availability certificate from the Department of Defence Services Welfare, Punjab, before the reserved vacancies are filled up temporarily from any other source in accordance with the recruitment rules for the time being in force for filling up vacancies which are not reserved. Full stop. I am further directed to request you to take steps to fill the vacancies meant for the released armed forces personnel by recruiting such personnel now so as to undo the injustice, if any, done to them earlier. Full stop. Receipt of this communication may be acknowledged. Stop.